students, a big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. Let's start today's chapter, the report card. Let's get started. Shake your brain. Number one, what is 18% of 500 and what percent of 21 is 15? Okay, so solve them. Values learned. This is a play. In this play, a boy shows his report card to his father. The father became satisfied with the result. But later, conditions changed. His uncle saves him by punishment. Let's read the play and enjoy it. अच्छा एक प्ले है जिसमें एक बॉय अपने फादर को ना रिपोर्ट कार्ड शो कर रहा है, तो फादर उसका रिजल्ट देख के ना बड़े ही सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं. लेकिन कुछ टाइम के बाद कंडीशन चेंज हो जाती है और उसके अंकल जो होते हैं उसे पनिशमेंट से बचाते हैं. ओके, सो इस प्ले को रीड करते हैं और एंजॉय करते हैं. Read the dialogue between a father and a son. Father: Son, did you get your report card? Son: Yes, Dad, I've got it. Father: You've got it? When? Why didn't you show it to me? Son: Yesterday, I forgot to show it to you. Father: You forgot? Son: Well, I was going to, but thought. So does this dialogue ring a bell at least in some of you? Well, it's a universal problem faced by all those who feel badly in their exams. How do they deal with it? Let's read the play and find out how Stuart's uncle solved the problem for him. But was it the right thing to do? अच्छा, फादर अपने बेटे से बोलते हैं कि अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिल गया, तो कहता है यस. तो उन्होंने कहा कब, तुमने मुझे शो क्यों नहीं किया? उसने कहा मुझे कल मिला और मैं भूल गया. तो फिर फादर बोलते हैं भूल गए, तो फिर वही सोचता है मैंने सोचा ऐसा बट इफ लेकिन. तो यही से पता चलता है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ ज़रूर है रिपोर्ट कार्ड में. ओके, तो चलिए आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो कैरेक्टर्स: स्टुअर्ट मैथ्यू, अ स्कूल बॉय ऑफ 14. मिस्टर मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड, हिज फादर, अ सेल्फ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिजनेसमैन. अंकल पॉल, Lee, a servant, a boy also named Arnold. Okay, so these are the characters in this play. The sitting room of the Mr. Matthew Arnold, it is just before 7 p.m., a few days before Christmas. Stuart is bending down over the radio, turning controls, and the set is making a terrible noise as his father enters. Father: For goodness sake, leave that thing alone and let's have some peace and quiet. Any letters for me? Stuart: I don't think so, Dad, but the evening post hasn't come in yet. Father, consulting his watch: Late again. It's just the same as the rest of the public services. Nothing seems to be working properly. Lee tells me the telephone is out of order again. Stuart: It's a weather, I expect. Father: What do you mean? What's the weather got to do with it? Stuart: I thought perhaps the snow. Father: Well, don't think. It's probably due to carelessness or laziness, and goodness knows I get enough of that at the office. Nobody seems to understand the meaning of the word work nowadays. Which reminds me, shouldn't you be doing your homework? Stuart: We have broken up, Dad. Father: What, already? Stuart: It's only 3 days to Christmas. Father: I should have thought Christmas Eve would have been soon enough. I shall be at the office till then. Stuart: Yes, but business is different. Father: So it seems you will discover that for yourself someday. Life isn't all pleasure when you have left school. Stuart: Nor while you are there. Father: Nonsense, my boy, nonsense. Why, my school days were the happiest time of my life. Stuart: Uncle Paul doesn't say that. He says he had a rotten time. Father: Oh, does he? He has probably forgotten. Stuart: He hasn't forgotten the beatings he used to get. So, Father, I have no doubt he richly deserved them. If he had done his lessons properly and behaved himself, he wouldn't have been punished. Everybody knows that. By the way, don't you usually bring home a report at the end of the term? Stuart: Yes, Dad. Father: Then where it is? Why haven't I seen it? Stuart: I was waiting till after supper to show it to you. Father: Whatever for. No time like the present, my boy. Out with it and let's see what your master say about you this time. If I remember rightly, you were pretty low in your form last summer. Okay, so पहले फादर एंड स्टुअर्ट के बीच में कुछ कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रही थी. ओके, उसने कहा कि उनको ली से पता चलता है उनके सर्वेंट से कि उनका फ़ोन ख़राब हो गया है. फिर कुछ स्टुअर्ट बोलता है कि शायद इट्स बैड वेदर कंडीशन की वजह से. तो कहते हैं इसका उससे क्या लेना देना. सो फाइनली बात करते करते वो आ जाते हैं स्टुअर्ट के रिजल्ट पे कि तुमने मुझे अभी तक नहीं शो किया. तो उसने कहा था मैं वेट कर रहा था टिल आफ्टर सपर. Stuart: But I was in the second 11 cricket team and did a lot of swimming for the school. Father: Well, there was something in your favor. All the same, I don't pay a lot of money for you learn nothing but games. It's work that counts every time. And don't you forget it. Now let's see the report if you haven't lost it. Stuart: Oh no, Dad, here it is. Produces envelope from inside coat packet. Father: Not too clean, however. cuts envelopes with pocket knife, takes out report, unfolds it, and begins to read aloud. Scripture, making steady progress. CR, who is CR? Steward, Mr. Reed, he takes us for scripture and maths. Father, a queer combination. And yet I don't know. I suppose there is a certain amount of arithmetic in the Bible and prayer book. English composition shows originality. The might mean anything. Grammar good, careful work. Reading good, writing very fair, spelling improving. Thanks heaven for that. The letters you wrote me when I was abroad were full of mistakes. History promising, geography good, civics what are they? अब यहाँ पे फादर जो है स्टूअर्ट का रिजल्ट चेक करते हैं, हर सब्जेक्ट का जो रिमार्क्स से उसे मिला है उसे देखते हैं, तो कई जगह पे वो सेटिस्फाइड भी होते हैं. ओके स्टूअर्ट, इट्स अ न्यू सब्जेक्ट दैट द हेड टेक्स अस इन दैट. फादर, यस बट व्हाट्स इट ऑल अबाउट? Stewart, oh, everyday news and politics and that sort of things. The old men sometimes call it current affairs. Okay. So civics को देख के बोलते हैं कि ये क्या है, तो कहते हैं एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट है, इसमें हमें everyday जो न्यूज़ एंड पॉलिटिक्स है उसके बारे में जानने को मिलता है. Father, does he? It seems to me you can get all that from the newspaper. However, he says here you take an intelligent interest. So I suppose we must be thankful for small mercies. What next? Oh, Latin. Not much use for it myself, nor have you. It seems only fair your report says. Stewart, but Father, no need to apologize. It's a dead language. Anyhow, no commercial value, whatever. Cut it out. Stewart, I can't till I'm in the 5th. उसके बाद आती है बारी वो लेटिन भाषा की, लेटिन लैंग्वेज है, तो कहते हैं कि इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है, एक डेड लैंग्वेज है, तो आप, लेकिन वो कहता है कि इसकी कोई कमर्शियल वैल्यू नहीं है, तो उसको ज़रूरत नहीं, कट इट आउट. सो स्टूअर्ट कहता है कि 5th तक तो आई कांट. ओके. फादर, पिटी, यू माइट बी डूइंग समथिंग more useful. Still, I recognize the school must provide for all tastes. What's this now? Mathematics. I'm glad they put arithmetic first. Good heavens. You've actually got a highly satisfactory. I thought you were a fool at the subject. Stewart, surprised. So did I. It must be a mistake. I mean, Father, well, your master ought to know. I can't imagine he would give you praise for doing well if you hadn't. Stewart, no, but Father, your algebra and geometry are not so bad either. I'm beginning to think you have changed for the better. Stewart, what have they given me for art and work, Dad? They are my best subjects. Okay. So, Father, examining report. Oh, you think so, do you? Then you're going to be disappointed. It says here you are only fair in both, not that it matters all that much. Any fool can draw and use a screwdriver. Okay, so Stewart जो है वो particularly art and woodwork के बारे में जानना चाहता है, उनके grades के बारे में, उनके मार्क्स के बारे में, बट उसके डैड कहते हैं कि कोई भी फूल जो है वो ड्रॉ कर सकता है एंड स्क्रू ड्राइवर यूज़ कर सकता है. Stewart, but I'm the best in the format drawing and I've done awfully well at woodwork this term. Father, well, here it is in black and white. You can't go beyond the marks. 40% in art, 39% in woodwork. Stewart, puzzled. It beats me. Father, why worry? It's the commercial subject that counts. As a matter of fact, I'm quite pleased with this report. It shows you are beginning to understand your duty. Here is half a crown for you. Dare don't spend it wastefully. सो अब वो उसके फादर बड़े सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं उसके रिजल्ट देख के, उसके रिमार्क्स देख के, तो उसे हाफ अ क्राउन देते हैं और कहते हैं कि इसको वेस्टफुली स्पेंड मत करना. स्टूअर्ट, थैंक यू डैड. टेक्स कॉइन जस्ट एज द डोर ओपन्स टू एडमिट अंकल पॉल. अंकल, गुड इवनिंग. आई होप आई एम नॉट टू अर्ली. फादर, you are just in time to see Stewart's report. Sit down and take a look at that. I bet you never got one like it. Uncle, I wondered why are you throwing half crowns about? Takes reports, sits in armchair, puts on his spectacles and looks quickly down the paper. Father, well, Uncle, you are right. Evan never did. To Stewart, seems to me, young man, you have turned into a bookworm. What's happened to you? Stewart, uncomfortably, don't know, I'm sure, Uncle. Father, he has begun to realize the value of work, I hope. Look here, you must excuse us a few minutes, Paul. I want Stewart to help me get some letters off and the post goes at 7:15. Uncle, that's all right, don't mind me. Father, help yourself to cigarettes, points to box and table. Come on, my boy, we must hurry. Goes out, followed by Stewart. Uncle takes a cigarette, lights it, and then examines report again, whistling from time to time in surprise. Enter Lee, showing in a schoolboy who wears glasses. He's about Stewart's age. Lee, I'm sorry, sir. I thought the master was here. Uncle, he's very busy just now. Lee, anything I can do? Lee, I don't know, sir. This young gentleman said he wanted to see Mr. Matthew Arnold or Master Stewart. Uncle, all right, Lee. If I can't help him, I'll keep him company till your master returns. ओके इतने में क्या होता है कि जैसे वो निकल रहा होता है अंकल की एंट्री हो जाती है, अंकल पॉल की। ओके सो वो अंकल पॉल को कहते हैं कि हेल्प योर सेल्फ टू सिगरेट्स, और उन्हें कुछ जो उनके रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं उन्हें भेजना होता है, तो उन्हें वो सारे सॉर्ट आउट करने होते हैं। ओके इतने में आता है ली। ओके और ये स्कूल बॉय है जो चश्मे पहनता है। सो कहता है कि मैं एक यंग जेंटलमैन है जो मिस्टर मैथ्यू एंड मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड और मास्टर स्टुअर्ट से मिलना चाहते हैं। सो कहते हैं ठीक है, मैं ऑल राइटली अगर मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प नहीं कर सका तो आई कीप हिम कंपनी टिल योर मास्टर रिटर्न्स। चलिए थैंक यू सर, शी गोज आउट। बॉय आई एक्सक्यूज मी बट आर यू? अंकल आई एम स्टुअर्ट्स अंकल if that's what you want to know, but sit down and tell me if I can be of any use. Okay, अंकल बोलते हैं मैं स्टुअर्ट का अंकल हूँ और बताओ, बैठो और बताओ if I can help you. So boy, well you see it's about my school report. We think there's been some mistake. Uncle, clear me, how did that happen? Boy, sitting down and producing report. You see it's like this. My name is Stephen Michael Arnold and I'm in the same form as Stuart Matthew Arnold. Only I'm plain Arnold and he is hyphenated. Uncle, he's what? Boy, you know he's got a dash between Matthew and Arnold. Uncle, I see. Go on, boy. Well, old Mac, that's our firm master, never troubles to put our full names on reports. Only SMA, you see. So he's very likely mixed us up. I hope so. Anyhow, Uncle, why is your report so very bad? Boy, it can't be mine. That's just what I'm saying. Uncle, well, the one that was sent to you, whoever it belonged to you. Boy, bitterly, it is bad enough for Dad to say he would cut my pocket money for a month. Uncle, that's bad luck. Well, I shouldn't be surprised if you are right about yours getting mixed up with young Stuart. Suppose you show me yours and take a look at this. They exchange reports. Boy, looking quickly at the paper given to me, this is mine, I'm sure of it. Uncle, what's make you think so? Look, I've done pretty well in everything except art and woodwork, and those are the only subject Matthew Arnold is good at. So होता क्या, वो बच्चा जो आता है उनकी स्टुअर्ट के साथ एक्चुअली जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स हैं ना वो एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं। तो अंकल पूछते हैं आप इतने श्योर कैसे हो? जो वो रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखता है तो वो कहते हैं देखिए कि मैं आर्ट, मेरे सब में अच्छे ग्रेड्स हैं, मैंने अच्छा किया है, लेकिन सिर्फ आर्ट और वुड वर्क में नहीं किया, जबकि जो मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड है यानी जो स्टुअर्ट है वो इन दोनों ही सब्जेक्ट में बहुत अच्छा है। Uncle, I shouldn't wonder if you are right. Looks at paper. Yes, I'm afraid you are right. Well, there is only one thing for me. We must change them over. Boy, do you mean I can keep this? Uncle, of course. It's clearly yours. Boy, pocketing report. Thank you, sir. Pauses awkwardly. I'm sorry if Matthew Arnold's going to be disappointed, but you don't know my father. So, Uncle, no, but I know Stuart's. However, I believe the boy suspects something already, and you can leave his father to me. बॉय थैंक यू सर, गुड नाइट सर। अच्छा उसके बाद वो कहते हैं कि थैंक यू, और वो कहते हैं कि मुझे मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड के लिए बुरा लग रहा है, वो डिसअपॉइंट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आप मेरे फादर को नहीं जानते। तो कहते हैं नो बट मैं जानता हूँ स्टुअर्ट्स के फादर को। ओके और उसके बाद वो चला जाता है। अंकल, गुड नाइट माई बॉय, योर पॉकेट मनी और टू बी सेफ नाउ। Boy, I hope so, sir. He goes out. Uncle takes up remaining report and examines it again. Then shaking it head, he folds it carefully into a pipe lighter, which he lays on the table. His cigarette now smoked through. He throws it on the fire and fills a pipe. He had just finished and puts the pipe in his mouth when Stuart enters with a pile of envelopes in his hand. Stuart, anything for the post, Uncle? Uncle, no thanks, my boy. I rarely write letters. He takes the report, pushes it in the fire and starts lighting his pipe. सो इतने में स्टुअर्ट की एंट्री होती है। वो कहते हैं कोई पोस्ट है? तो वो कहते हैं नहीं मैं लेटर्स नहीं लिखता हूँ, और वो रिपोर्ट को लेता है, उसे फायर में पुश करते हैं एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स लाइटिंग हिज पाइप। Stuart, suddenly noticing what his uncle is doing. Here, what are you doing? Uncle, pretending surprise. Only saving matches. What's the matter? Stuart, but that's my report. Uncle, looking down at burning paper in his hands. Heaven, so it is or was. I must be getting absent-minded in my old age. When it's no good now, I'm afraid throw is on the fire. उसके बाद इतने में वो देख लेता है स्टुअर्ट कि वो क्या कर रहे होते हैं, तो वो कहती है आप ये क्या कर रहे हो? तो मेरी रिपोर्ट है, रिपोर्ट कार्ड आपने से बर्न कर दिया। तो कहते हैं कि ओ सॉरी, ओल्ड एज की वजह से मैं एब्सेंट माइंडेड हो गया हूँ, ओके मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहा, एंड देन वो उसे फायर में फेंक देते हैं। स्टुअर्ट, यू वुड हैव गॉट इनटू ट्रबल व्हेन डैड कम्स। Uncle, never mind. I'm always getting into hot water. After all, accidents will happen. Looking at the clock at the mantelpiece. I say, isn't it nearly post time? Stuart, help. I had forgotten all about the post. I must rush. He hurries to the door. Uncle, by the way, Stuart, turning around. Yes, Uncle. I shouldn't be too long spending the half crown. If I were you, your father might want it back. Steward, he hasn't got a certain hope and he hurries out. Okay, so देखा आपने किस तरह से रिपोर्ट कार्ड एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं. ओके, और कहाँ स्टूवर्ड के अच्छे ग्रेड्स नहीं आते थे बट उसको अच्छे अच्छे रिमार्क्स मिले हुए थे. ओके, सो मॉरल लर्नड, वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड शुड गिव सफिशिएंट टाइम फॉर स्टडीज़. सो देखिए, हमें अपने सब्जेक्ट्स का ध्यान रखना चाहिए और स्टडीज़ के लिए सफिशिएंट टाइम देना चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस comprehension. Multiple choice question. A, take the correct option. 1, what did the father ask Stuart? A cup of tea. B, newspaper. C, his report card. Or D, his maths notebook. And the answer is C, his report card. B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, it is just 7 p.m. a few days before Christmas. C, answer the given questions. So questions are given over here. You have to answer them. Play with words. Read these words from the lesson and their opposites. Carelessness, carefulness. Laziness, industriousness, punish. इसका opposite है pardoned या rewarded. Remember का forget and praise का blame. Okay, so ये जो words हैं आपके lesson से लिए गए हैं and के opposites. E, read the following wise sayings and fill in the blanks with the opposites of the words in italics. The first one has been done as an example. Number 1, all our knowledge brings us nearer to our ignorance. So ignorance is the opposite of knowledge. 2, be nice to people on your way up because you will meet them on your way down. Okay. B, the words in each of the series below belong to specific word families like means of communication, tools. Add 3 or more words to each series. First one, baton and racket. So ये tools हैं आपके जो आपके particular कुछ sports में use किए जाते हैं. Okay. So आप इसमें और 3 या उससे ज़्यादा वर्ड्स आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. लाइक यू कैन ऐड अ बैट और यू कैन ऐड स्टिक, जैसे कि हॉकी में यूज़ की जाती है स्टिक. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ग्रामर वर्कशॉप. मोडाल वर्ब्स कैन, मे, मस्ट. देयर आर 2 types of auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, is, am, are, was, were, do, does and did, which are used to express tense. ओके, सो ये जो आपकी हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं रेड कलर में, ये आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. Modal verbs or modals which are used to express likelihood, advice, possibility, ability, permission and obligation. Can is used to talk about ability. For example, I can play the piano. I can give you a lift home. So can का use करते हैं हम ability को show करने के लिए. To ask for things, can I borrow your eraser? क्या मैं आपका eraser ले सकता हूँ? Can you lend me 10 rupees? And to take permission, किसी से permission लेना है तो उसके लिए हम can का use करते हैं. Can I leave early today, please? Can I take this seat? Cannot is used to talk about things we are unable to do. जो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो चीज़ें उसके लिए हम cannot use करते हैं. For example, you cannot park here. I cannot lend you 100 rupees. Note, modal verbs are never used on their own in a sentence. They are always used along with the main verb in the base form. So modals को हम अकेले कभी use नहीं करते हैं sentence में उनको हमेशा main verb के साथ use किया जाता है. Okay? So A, use can or cannot to complete the following sentence. Number 1, I dash are speaking Tamil, but I dash follow it if you speak slowly. So I cannot speak a Tamil, but I can follow it if you speak slowly. May is used to ask for permission. Permission के लिए may का use करते हैं. For example, may I come in? May I share the table with you? May is more polite that using can to say that something is possible. So may अगर हम can से compare करें तो may is more polite. Okay. So I may not have time to do the work. It may rain later today. Must is used to express a strong obligation, like I must go to bed earlier. You must come and visit us soon. To express certainty, इसके लिए भी हम must का use करते हैं. This must be the right address. It is so cold today, you must be freezing. Must not is used to express prohibition. Children must not play in the street. And you must not talk a stranger. B. Choose may or must to complete the following sentences. Number 1, the manager said that I may or must take the rest of the day off. So यहाँ पे आपका आएगा may. I may take the rest of the day off. C. Rewrite the following sentences using can, may, must or must not. One has been done for you. Number 1, don't jump the red light. It is illegal. मतलब red light jump नहीं करना है because ये illegal है. So आप लिखेंगे you must not jump the red light. Okay? So इसी तरह से बाकी जो sentences हैं आप इनको फिर से लिखेंगे using can, may, must or must.